Hello beautiful, my name is Joni and I welcome you to my channel. And now we're going to put lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 of the clubbing series all together. So if you haven't seen it, go and review those. And now we're going to put it with some music. But before we do, let's go through the drills and then we're going to put it to a song and let's get to it. All right, so first week we did some chest slide, or the first lesson. So we're gonna go slide and slide, slide and slide. In that lesson we did singles and single, and then we hold 2 beats. Ready? So single, single, hold 1. Single, single and hold. A little bit faster. You ready? Single, single, hold. Single, single, hold 2 beats. Single, single, hold 2 beats. 1, 2, hold 3, 4. 1, 2, hold 3, 4. 1, 2, hold 3, 4. Da, da. Last one. All right, then we did the shoulder rolls. Ready? Singles, just nice and slow. Now don't forget, we want to kind of add our hands into it. You could just rub your thighs. Little flirt. With yourself. Now we could go into the single counts with the double. Here we go. Single, single, hold, double. Single, single, hold, double. 1, 2, hold 3, 4. 1, 2, hold 3, 4. Ba, ba. Single, single, double. Roll, roll, roll. Now if you're having a hard time with the roll, it could be small. You don't have to throw it out there. You can make it small. Doesn't have to be big. And then the double count, you could just just hold that hip roll, shoulder roll there. It doesn't have to go all the way back. Just hold it here. And then release. Hold it here. Hold it here. Hold it here. Oh, you could roll all the way around. Okay? Once you be comfortable with this movement, you could hold and release. Hold that roll and release. Hold it up and then just let it go. Hold that shoulder up and then let it go. Single, single, hold it up, release. Single, single, hold it up, release. Now we're going to add that rock forward and back. Forward, back. Bring that right foot forward and then left foot back. Same thing, we're going to go single, single, double, hold, single, single, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch leg. And 1, 1, hold 2. 1, 1, hold 2. A bit faster, here we go. Single, single, hold. And you can do it sideways. All you're doing is shifting away from one foot to the other. Right. Precious, you come and can dance with me? Come on, Precious. Come and dance. Oh, that was it. Now let's go. Single, single, double, hold. Single, single, 3, 4. Shift the weight and hold the weight here. Shift the weight and hold the weight. When I say hold, just be in the stillness of that movement. Single, single, hold that stillness. Ba, ba, ha, ba, ba, ha. All right, and then we went to the hip drops. Right hip, left, right, left. Same thing here. You could hold a beat for 2 counts and then single, single, hold 2 counts. Pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, focusing on the drop. Hip drop, and hold. Hip drop, and hold. Drop, drop, hold the drop. Ah, ah. And then we went to the hip lift. So a hip lift, you're gonna start with soft knees, and you go lift. It's a bit windy today. Woo! Okay, these are nice and soft hip lift. They're like have a swaying action going up. Nice sway. And then you could add the glute contraction to make it more of an accent. Nice reverb action. Contract, release, contract, release, contract, release. Just kind of sharp, sharp. But again, it all comes from the glutes. Boom, boom, boom. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Sharp contraction, release. All right. So now we're going to put this all together. We're going to have a song that I got from the YouTube audio library. So let's put it together. You ready? Let's start with the chest slide. Let's wait for the song. Slide, slide, hold. 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 Shoulder roll. And hold. 1, 2, and hold. 1, 2, and hold. That's it. Woo! Flirt with your thighs. Shoulder roll and hold. Good. Hip lift. Hip sway, sway.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
Now, accent.
Like it was
Right,
the first time,
left. Come on, contract, 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 release, contract, release. Faster. A little shimmy, maybe. All right, this hip drop. Hip drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop. Right foot forward. Single, single, hold double. Single, single, hold double. Back to the chest slide. And hold. Slide, slide, and hold. Slide, slide, and hold. Slide, slide, and hold. One more. Shoulder roll. Roll, roll, and hold. Now back hip sway.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
Good contraction. Sharp, 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 sharp.
The first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Then shimmy.
You're all I need.
This side. Rock forward and back and hold. And hold. And hold. And hold. Chest slide again. Hold.
Can I take you
Slide, slide, and hold.
Can I take you
Slide, slide, and hold.
Can I take you
Hip drop. Drop, drop, hold.
Can I take you
Drop, drop, hold. Drop, drop, hold. That was a little introduction of how you could put all this together. We're going to keep doing these series again, and maybe a different shape of movement, but just keep practicing those elements, your hip sway, your drops, your slide, and how you could incorporate. So listen to a song and just practice those movements, and then make it your own, flavor, add your attitude. Just have fun. Feel beautiful while you're doing this. Okay? Bye-bye.